Hey, Birdman from Hot Rod Customs here with a update on our last video, kind of showing off some of the shop, some of the things we do, I do, and this MG I've been working on for quite a while, it seems. Anyway, we're going to bring you up to date on some projects and show you what we're doing, and let's see how it goes. Again, listen, this is a project that I've had for a lot longer than anybody cares about, but I've done a lot of work to it. I've done all the work on this car, from the frame to the assembly to the design, and I want to show it to you because it's a project we're going to be working on. It's not done. It still needs wiring. It needs some brake lines. It needs some fuel lines. It needs finishing up, and that's what we're going to be doing here. So let me show you this car, see what you think, and we'll take it from there. It is a fiberglass car, and it's an old, what they call Jamaican fiber fab body. And they made these cars, these bodies in the 60s, and I've owned this body for a long time. And it's been a running car, but then I decided to build it into a real, what I consider show car, high rod custom. And so this is where we're at now. And we're going to be focusing in on it a little bit and showing you what we're doing. So there it is. Small block Chevy powered, 4-speed transmission, quick change rear end, tubular chassis, and the car is got some downdraft Webers, as you can see, and it's a total custom front to back, and we'll take a couple of shots of it. It is a lot of fun to work on this car, and I've done all the paint work on the car, and I've done all the fiberglass work on the car, so it's been a project, and I hope that you like it. The MGA is a project that's underway, and it's a little unusual in that it has a Jensen supercharger on it, and which is not a standard item. So that's when it starts to get custom in the MG world. And so the car is ready to be finished up. We're going to put an interior in the car. We're going to do a lot of hydraulic work to the car, and we're going to get it running with the supercharger. So this is a project that's been underway for a while, and I'm excited to show it to you. So this is a project that I'm excited about, and it is a Nash Metropolitan, 1959 Nash Metropolitan. It's going to be a pro street drag car, and we're going to build a chassis for it, and we're going to show you all aspects of building this pro street car in the coming months. To get started, I chopped the roof 2.5 to 3 inches. And we're just getting the grinding work done here to clean it up. There's a lot of work, a lot of grinding work to be done, so don't judge me on it yet. And it's going to have a Big Block Chevy blower motor, which we could take a photo of. He's going to add it in, and a Powerglide transmission, 4-link rear. And I've stretched the car 15 inches, so it's going to have a 102-inch wheelbase, which the standard wheelbase was 80 inches. And it's going to have a roll cage in it, and it'll be a wild drag car for what it's going to be. So anyway, that's the nose of the car over there, and we'll take a look at it. So again, Birdman from Hot Rod Customs. This is the nose of this car. Again, this is the rough layout. This will have a tilt nose on it when it's done, and you know, it's in its roughest form at the moment, but as you can see, it's a work in progress. These are the seats that are going to go in it, and we got some other parts and pieces here and there around that will be a part of this car as we build it out. It's a big project. I'm excited about it, and I hope you get interested in it. Thank you. Birdman, again, from Hot Rod Custom. Hey, all of us go to different stores to buy things, and I bought this at Harbor Freight the other day. It's a little brake. It's a 32-inch brake that I did some modifications to, basic modifications that anybody can really do as long as you got a little welder or something, a little shop. And it's a nice project, and I wanted to show it to you today. Okay, Birdman from Hot Rod Customs. Hey, as mentioned, I was at Harbor Freight and I bought this little brake. They don't sponsor me. I have nothing to do with it. I do use a lot of their products because I think, you know, for the money, it's a good buy. I wanted to show, I made some modifications to it, and I want to show you how it works for me. Does it turn? No, this thing is turned. I gotta use it. I gotta weld that. Okay, so this is how this thing works. So you tighten up the bar. Just do a 90-degree bend or any degree bend you want. You loosen up the bar. That's what it gives you. Simple, but yet handy. And so you can do all kinds of different bends. I mean, you know, you can make channels, and you can do all kinds of small sheet metal bends when you're making a little project at home. Thought I'd show you that today.